Hi, this is Fiorella from Anyhouse Cleaning, and I feel the obligation to do this video, and I'm gonna tell you loud and clear my mistake. What happened last Thursday when I was doing a move-out cleaning in Davenport, Florida. I was supposed to, we are supposed to clean the house at 8. We have to wait a lot of time. We start at 9 because the owner have to remove everything from the property in order to clean. They arrived to the house at 6 a.m., but they noticed that someone broke the glass from the kitchen area, the sliding glass door. And they have to call the police. We have to wait. They have to shut off the AC. A lot of heat, dust, pet hair. It's not an excuse, but that's what happened. My mind wasn't that clear, that focused when I did this big, huge mistake. Even though I have so many years of experience, I shouldn't do better. I notify the client after we fix the problem, or well, not fix completely and 100%, but we try to fix it. What happened is that I was cleaning the kitchen and I put a product and I left it on the counter. That was the results. Let me show you in the video. I was trying to do this video. I was doing this. So I put a new product that I bought it in a restaurant depot. I bought the product. This product is heavy duty, super heavy duty. People that own restaurants bought this kind of product to remove the carbon thing that is behind the stove, under the racks, the metal racks inside the oven, or even on the bottom of the pots. Heavy stuff. Even I have to wash my fingers, and I was doing so many things at the same time. I was helping Hilda to do the kitchen because I want to use the product for the first time, and then run to the bedrooms because I was doing the steam cleaning the carpet with Juan Carlos. So I put the product. The product smells strong, works wonderful. It's a great product, but you have to be careful. Even though I put gloves, I have to rinse so many times my fingers. And let's see. Let me pause and let me talk to you. And let me pull this photo first. And I left the bag there. Okay? Not that long. But Hilda, when I was start cleaning the kitchen, she went to one of the rooms. In the meantime, I was steaming the carpet with Juan Carlos, and she said, "Fiorella, I have bad news." So, oh my God, really? What happened? Fiorella, there is a stain on the counter, and I think it's the product because you left the product on the racks, the metal racks for the stove, for the gas stove, on top of the counter, and it have a white stain there. So, oh my God, no, I will die. So, I remember that I saw, like 4 months ago, a video from Mike. And I want to introduce this awesome guy. And let me go to his channel that is right here. I saw this video 4 months ago. On February, I even put a posting, a comment. Nice, super nice tip. Thank you. Well done. 4 months ago, I saw this video and I remember what he talked about it and how to fix the bleach stain on the Formica countertop. And he was talking about this product that is called Stoner Car Care Trim Shine. At that moment, it was around 6. I text him. He already helped me like 3 times. And are you sure this is the correct product? I'm gonna look for it. And he said, yeah, try it on. I hope that it will fix your problem. This guy, I want to do a little bit of information about Mike Palliot. And I know that I'm pronouncing it really bad. Well, Mike and Paula Paliole have been involved in the carpet, upholstery, and hard surface cleaning industry since 1986. They opened their own business in 2001 in Santa Cruz, California. But before that, he worked for two really big companies in the area. What I like this guy, and I think he's a guru, is that he is involved in everything about the cleaning, the education. He does training 101 of carpet. He does seminars, training, conventions. He owns and operates in the cleaning industry the most unpopular, respected online discussion forum. His forum is right here. Let me go to his profile. He has and he owns and operates the Mikey'sBoard.com. He do also Mikey's Fest that I didn't have the opportunity to go yet, but I hope next year I can go. This guy is a guru. He has more than 30 years of experience in cleaning. He likes to know everything about technology, new machines, new ways to improve and do in a safe way the cleaning. He and his friends, because he has so many friends in the industry, like Sagers, for example, in the carpet industry, another friend that develops training for marble and stone, and they have their own product. He has a network, okay? And we, because I'm including myself, the housekeepers, we didn't know that much of everything. We try to learn by our mistakes. This is the reason why I'm talking loud. And I feel kind of ashamed of what I did because there's no excuse that I was hard or so many things to do at the same time. But, well, that happened to me. The main purpose of this video is to show you that everyone can commit a mistake. And I notify the client. The client I notify, of course, after I've tried to fix it. And he said, don't worry, we are gonna sell the house anyway. And we're gonna sell the house anyway, and the house has so many other things to fix. So don't worry about it. I really thank you for that you wait so long for this house with no AC. It looks spectacular clean. It smells much better. You did the carpet. You removed the stain for the dogs. That's the most important part for us. And say, oh, thank you. I really apologize, but I have to say because I don't want to go to my house and then suddenly he called me. Oh, what happened with the counter? What did you put that? What did you did that? So I prefer to say it straight and apologize and be responsible for my acts. This is the main purpose of the video. Show you my mistakes so you don't have to pay for this. I learned from my own mistakes, but what you can do is you can learn from my mistakes so you don't have to pay for this situation. I remember seeing his video and I remember his words. And he said, let me look for the video. You can even go to his search, yeah? And you can put fixes, bleach, stain on Formica countertop. I remember what he said. This is a product that every carpet cleaner, let me listen.
They get you in the door with a free weekend trip or dinner, or sometimes it's just a Visa gift card. Then they tell you it's only going to take 90 minutes.
Yeah. So he said every carpet cleaner should have this in his truck. And that moment I said, yeah, I will buy, yes. And I forgot. And I have to run to so many stores to get it, but finally I got it. Right here. That's the product that I use to fix that white stain, and it came like this. Okay, so it wasn't 100% remedy, but it was so much better. And thank you, Mike, for your video and your time to upload videos of everything that you do and give us some tip, because we need it. And I'm sharing this information to everyone that see my channel, and I hope that most people get informed of the good training that you do, and also visit your YouTube channel, and also they can visit your makingboards.com. We can do a network. How about that? Thank you everyone that have been follow me on YouTube, support my channel, comment, like, and subscribe. A couple months ago, like 4 months ago, I got 4,000 subscribers. Now I have 4,250. Thank you, and thank you. This is Fiorella, and I hope this video will help somebody. Thank you so much. Bye bye.